Hi there and welcome to my video about robotic pool vacuum cleaners. In this video, I'm going to talk about what robotic pool vacuum cleaners are, how they work, and why you might want to consider getting one for your own pool. What is a robotic pool vacuum cleaner? A robotic pool vacuum cleaner is a self-contained device that cleans the floors, walls, and waterline of a swimming pool. It is powered by an electric motor and uses a variety of methods to remove dirt, debris, and algae from the pool. How does a robotic pool vacuum cleaner work? Robotic pool vacuum cleaners work in a variety of ways, but most of them use a combination of suction and brushes to remove dirt and debris from the pool. Some robotic pool vacuum cleaners also have a scrubbing feature that helps to remove algae and other tough stains. Why get a robotic pool vacuum cleaner? There are many reasons why you might want to get a robotic pool vacuum cleaner. Here are a few of the benefits. They save you time and effort. Robotic pool vacuum cleaners do all the work for you, so you don't have to spend hours scrubbing and vacuuming your pool. They are more thorough than manual cleaning. Robotic pool vacuum cleaners can get into all the nooks and crannies that are difficult to reach with a manual cleaner. They are more effective at removing dirt and debris. Robotic pool vacuum cleaners use powerful suction and brushes to remove even the smallest particles of dirt and debris. They can help to prevent algae growth. Robotic pool vacuum cleaners can help to remove algae and other organic matter that can lead to algae growth. Conclusion: if you are looking for a way to save time and effort on pool cleaning, a robotic pool vacuum cleaner is a great option. Robotic pool vacuum cleaners are more thorough and effective than manual cleaning, and they can help to